Hi, today I'll be showing you how to code an animal moving. So first, you gotta pick here, creature. You might want to go to animals. I'm gonna pick bear walking. Okay. Then you have to pick a backdrop. Maybe something that will fit the animal you chose. So I'm going to choose forest for that bear walking. So then we're going to hit set thumbnail. Then it's going to set the thumbnail. If you post this project, the thumbnail is what people see when they first see your project, basically. So it's kind of like the thumbnail on a YouTube video. Kind of like that. Also, if you do post this video you made, or this coding project you made on the Scratch thing, please write my YouTube channel, or please tag my YouTube channel, I guess, something like that. Just type my YouTube channel. Alright, so back to the coding. Okay, so we're gonna hit one green flag clicked. Alright, we're gonna move this guy way back there, as far back as we can get him. Okay? So then, that's as far back as we can get him. So, we're gonna do one green flag clicked, go to X 327, Y negative, or X negative 327, and Y negative 36. So that's what we're going to be doing first. So when he moves to the end, at the end, that's what he's going to be looking like, kind of. So now we have to make him walk. We have to make another green flag click, then get a forever loop. Then we have to check how many costumes he has. 1, 2, 3. Wait, oh no. Oh, wait a second, is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so there's 8 of them. So you're gonna get a switch costume to. You're gonna get 8 switch costumes if you're doing the bear. You're gonna get as many switch costumes as the sprite you chose has costumes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. Then you're gonna make them like how it's supposed to be. Alright, so then you're gonna do B, then C, then D, then you're gonna do E, then you're gonna do F, then you're gonna do G. Then the last one's already gonna be H, so that's fine. But if I were you, I would recommend putting a switch costume to Bear Walk A in the beginning. Oh, wait. Then we have to put a wait one. Actually, we don't need to wait 1 second. We need way less than that. Maybe 0.5 seconds. Then you're gonna put that there. Then look, every time you put one of those, I'm gonna just make my code block thingy there bigger. Alright, there. So now you can see it. So 0.5, putting 0.5. Alright, 0.5. 0.5, then 0.5. Then we're gonna be doing motion, go to, then gonna quickly just move him as far there as we can. As far that way, as far that way. And then, as far that way. Then we're gonna keep him there. Then we're gonna go to 311 or x 311 y -5. Then now we're gonna put in a glide. Keep him in that same position though, because we're gonna need that position. Maybe like a glide 3 seconds too. Then, oh wait. Wait. Oh, yeah. Something like that. You might put this loop right here in this order. One green flag clicked, go to -327 x, y, -36, then do switch costume to bear walk A, then hit glide 3 seconds to x 311, y -5, then hit go to x 311, y -5. Let's see if that works. Doesn't it look like he's walking? But maybe we should do glide 5 seconds and see how that works. It does. Maybe 4 seconds. Let's try it. Actually, I'm trying 4.5. Okay. Yes, that's perfect. Then, at the end, we're going to have him go into the looks categories and say hide. But make sure to put show underneath one green flag clicked, or else he's just going to be hidden the entire time. See? Now, this part is optional, but I am going to do it. So, get a green flag clicked, then a forever loop. Go into sounds, then go into loops. Then pick one you think will fit with nature. I'm picking that one. You can edit it in here. Now, go to sound. Then don't play start sound dubstep and put in the forever loop. 'Cause I'm going to show you what happens if you do. You want that noise? Kind of sounds like a machine gun, but you want that noise, you can't. So this is what it sounds like. Actually, you don't even need a forever loop. I don't think you do. Look. See? Isn't that good? Make sure you hit save now. Now, I'm gonna call this bear walking. If you do share this tutorial that I'm doing, just call it the same thing I am. Bear walking at SuperSlun60. Okay. YouTube. Then, there we go. That's pretty good. See? Alright.